Hey everyone, Wags here from Eagle Dynamics, and in this DCS F-16C Viper video, we'll be taking a look at using laser-guided bombs with laser designation from a Joint Terminal Attack Controller, or a JTAC. A little bit later, we'll be adding a targeting pod, which will allow you to self-designate. Let's get started. Alrighty, so let's take a look at how you use laser-guided bombs with a Joint Terminal Attack Controller, or JTAC, designating the target for us. Now, in order to talk to the JTAC, we'll be using the radio, and up on the ICP we have buttons for COM1 and COM2. We press COM1, it brings up our controls for the UHF radio, which you can see here on the DED, and also here on the HUD. And right now the frequency is at 305, which is our frequency for the JTAC. But we could change it here on the ICP and the keypad when it's highlighted. If we dauber down a couple times, we can change the preset channel, or dauber down again, we can change the frequency for the selected preset. In terms of the weaponry, we're going to be doing this in a CCRP attack. So we'll select the bombing mode, CCRP. With the OSB here, we can cycle the weapons loaded. Right now we have a GBU-12, so a 500-pound laser-guided bomb, or GBU-10, 2,000 pound. Profile will keep in 1. Ripple will be 1. Interval doesn't mean anything because of the ripple setting. Keep it as a single, and we'll keep it nose, tail. For the fusing, up here on the HUD, our standard CCRP HUD symbology with the ASL, and our steer point 1 up here over Creech is going to be our initial point, which you can see here, and then our target point will be steer point 2 at the steer point here. So let's go ahead and pause and go COM1 on the HOTAS and select the JTAC Death Star. We're checking at 15.
Death Star 1-1. This is in field 1-1-1. Papa Alpha 4930 at 20,000. I have GBU-12, GBU-10, 500 cannon. Time on station is 0 plus 15. Available for tasking. What do you have for us? Infield 1-1. This is Death Star 1-1. Type 2 in effect. Advised and ready for 9-line. Ready to copy. Line is as follows. 1, 2, 3, NA, 3,000 feet, MSL, tank, Papa, Alpha, 2, 2, 3, 7, 1, 9, marked by laser, 1, 6, 8, 8, south, 900 meters, troops in contact, egress, south. Advised when ready for remarks and further talk on.
That voice sounds familiar.
Ready to copy remarks. Use GBU-12. 3,000. Papa Alpha 223,719. Read back correct. Report IP inbound.
Okay, I'm going to turn into my IP over Creech now. Cycle steer point 2.
Infield 1-1. IP inbound. Infield 1-1. Continue. Infield 1-1. Laser on. Laser on. Blazing. Infield 1-1. Spot. Infield 1-1. In from the south. Infield 1-1. Cleared hot.
And at this point now we're going to do a standard CCRP attack like we learned before, where I'm going to be flying the flight path marker onto the ASL, and then as the release cue comes down, prior to that I'll be holding down the weapon release button, and when the two intersect, the bomb comes off the jet. And here she comes. So holding down the weapon release button now. And weapon away. Little dot down there is our target.
Infield 1-1. Target destroyed. Infield 1-1. No further tasking available. Thanks for the support. You may depart.
And that's a look at using laser-guided bombs with the JTAG designating. I very much hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.